Whiskers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are enjoying the great outdoors and we're doing a product review. We will be reviewing the black 4-wheel pet stroller from Vivo. So today was quite sunny in Montreal, Canada, so we decided to take some little fresh air, so that's why we are outside today, accompanied by, of course, the star of the show, Whiskey!
Yeah, you like being outdoors.
Please subscribe to this channel if it's not already done and like this video if you enjoyed it. And if you want to be part of our notification squad, just click that notification bell. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Let's cut this open. We got this in the mail about like a week ago, maybe more, but the temperature didn't really allow us to go on walks. Even when we did take walks with Lady, they were short walks because it was pretty cold for a while, but now Miss Sun is starting to make an appearance, so why not? Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Let's see what we're dealing with. Ooh. Oh. Goddamn crazy wheels. Lady! Let's see, so we have the instruction manual. If we were Julian Solomita, we'd be calling this the suggestion manual.
There are no directions. It's a suggestion pamphlet.
But we're gonna follow it. For household pets only. No, I was planning on putting my tiger in there because I'm Carol Baskins. Step 1, open stroller until legs lock into place. Okay, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna open this. Oh god. Okay. Oh. It's kind of big. Oh! I think that... Whiskey! You have a stroller! So Whiskey decided to try the stroller? Yeah! Oh, what? It says here to insert these wheels, the double wheels, they are known as wheel C. To insert front wheels into front legs of stroller until it clicks into place, use the red latch on front wheels to lock orientation. So Whiskey is enjoying himself over there. No! Second wheel. Lady, you're stressing out the cat. She just constantly trips over his cord. And now to lock the position, I press down on the red lever. So I asked the help of my dad because I wasn't able to do this alone. One washer, this little ring. After that, it's the big, thank you, the big red thingy. Another washer. See? After that, wheel. Goddamn wheels. Not washer.
There's one missing. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Chancer. Found it in the grass. And then, what is that?
A cutter pin.
A cutter pin. Good. So that's, you just insert it right here. Okay. After that, you put the black top on. You have to align it with the holes and the thingies. Do you think it goes that way or like, no, yeah, that way. I think Kiki should see. Oh! Oh! And click! Yay!
I feel like a chiropractor.
And
Awesome.
okay, so how did you put on the cup holder? On the side. Okay, and same thing on the other side. Good! Yay! So this is the stroller. He's attached to mommy at all times. He's in there. Thank you, Dad. So we have this cup holder. It's Starbucks approved. You wanna say hi, baby? You're in your little stroller. Wanna go for a walk? Here we go.
I think he's having a great time.
Oh, baby.
Things couldn't be better. You can feel the relaxation.
So before we leave, we already put down his little blankie at the bottom so he feels comfortable. We'll add a little extra blanket, very, very soft, so he can hide under it if he gets a little bit cold. So we were having dinner and Misty here just... Hi! He likes it so much he decided to rest in it. You want to go on another walk? Yeah, yes you are. Oh, good boy. A couple of hours have passed and he's still in his stroller. He really loves it. So thank you guys for watching yet another one of our videos. We really appreciate it. This was the review for the Vivo cat stroller. So we are very pleased with the results. Whiskey really adores it. This was definitely Whiskey and Sophie approved. He really enjoyed it, and even when I stopped walking, he meowed because he's like, why did we stop? This is so fun, and he just wanted me to continue. We had a short walk and we're sure to do some more. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if it's not already done, like this video if you enjoyed it, and click that notification bell if you want to be part of the notification squad. You know the drill. We'll leave you with a special message from Whiskey.